Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a site plan which is very quick than the usual ones. As you know, you need to draw a site plan to present your project, but it takes a lot of time because you need to draw it on AutoCAD or with hand drawing. Then you need to render the building and also the site to show some appropriate quality of the site plan and to present that one. In this one, I will show you a technique that I'm using for the quick presentations, and also I was using it on the studio reviews in the architectural school, and it really works because it really shows what you need. And what we need to show in site plan is how our buildings sits on the site and the area we have. So we are going to use a Google Earth photo. So this is some kind of the site that I will show you how I put my project on it. And you can use Google Earth, and you can take by Control P and save as PDF. You can take an image from this one. I already have my image in here. Let's firstly take it on the Photoshop. Okay, we have this one. You can use Google Earth for taking this photograph. Also, you can check the municipalities' websites which you're making projects to find better quality of the images for top view, and this is a very easy material to find actually. So after having this one, the another thing you need to have a 3D model, but it doesn't have to be a virtual one. You know, in this case, I have a rhinoceros model, which I already did, which I already working on it. You might be in the process, you might be in the final one. You can use this technique, and it can be also a physical model that you can take a photograph on top of it. We just we we only need a top view. It doesn't matter how you take. The other programs can be SketchUp, 3ds Max, or Rhino, as I did. So I'm coming to top view, and this is my top view. I changed some render prosperities in here. Take a transparent background and good quality image, etc. And also the sun settings. Don't forget to have appropriate sun settings because the shadows and the side plan shows the north side and also how the sun comes into sight, and this is important. That's why don't forget to use it appropriate. So let's take a render. Actually, I'm taking render by just clicking render and save the image. It takes some time. That's why before I start the video, I already took a render image. Then let's move to Photoshop and make our image a site plan. So in here we have a top view from render from the model. So this is our top view. Let's close this one. And this part is my site. I'm choosing this tool. You can also press M. And I'm taking some parts of my site and rasterize layer. Layer be a copy. And you can close the bigger one. And this is my site plan. Let's stretch it and make it a little big. So this is showing my site. And also I have a top view. So what I need to do, firstly, you can clear the site because we don't need some images in the background. Also, don't forget this technique is a quick for a quick site plan when you don't have a lot of time, or the project or the presentation is not that much important, or if you want some kind of quality of this one on your board concepts. So I'm deleting some part of the site. So let's where we are cut. Maybe I don't want to delete all of them. We'll see that. So I know that in the project I deleted this building. So this is a road. You need to well scale your project to put into right area. So I think this is fine. This looks fine. In the real one, this road comes to here. So I can put like this. Then what you can do to have more realistic view or some changing qualities of this image, what I personally use is changing some fill options on here on the top view, and I like to use this one, so I'm gonna merge them again because I don't need to cut it. Then use these adjustments, have a black and white tool. Then you click this one, it comes here. I like to merge this one, but before I merge it, just have 50% of black and white. As you see, when I do that, the background becomes less important in this image, and what you see is the building and how it sits on the site. You know, as I said, this is not a good quality of site plan, but it is useful and it's really quick. You know, when you have not enough time for the reviews or in the studio and you want to show something else, this is actually fine. I can also show you an examples how I used this one in the studio project of mine. This is my board. It was final project of the architectural school, and this is how I used that image. As you see, it shows what I need to show, and this is quick, and I was like, I like this quality. That's why I used it in the final board even. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, and if you want to see more this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.